So the Switch 2 just got a humongous W. You go on Nintendo's website right now, Nintendo America, and you go to the tab that says Switch 2, you can see you have Switch 2 Wii Remote, which means we're most likely going to get Wii games sometime soon added to the Nintendo online services. So if you have subscribed to it and you are, obviously you get your typical games, your GameCube, GBA, N64, stuff like that. Eventually, we might be able to get Wii games added as well. Now, again, I would assume that they're just going to re-release another version of the Wii Remote, meaning it's not going to be like the old Wii Remotes from back in the day. Just kind of like they did with the GameCube, right? They re-released the GameCube controller that is updated with all the new stuff and all the new bells and whistles, right here. So I think that's what they're going to do again with Wii-remotes. But this is a huge W, man. There's a huge library of Wii games that, I think everybody, let's be honest, would love to be able to play again. And playing them on a Switch 2 with upgraded graphics, with better looking visuals, all that kind of good stuff. This is going to be a humongous W for Nintendo and for the Switch 2. And might be a console seller for some people. Of course, as I said before, yes, they did it with the SNES, the N64, and then again, so on and so on. So, NES, SNES. I butchered those two. This is the NES, this is the SNES. And then obviously you got Sega here. So, yeah, they're going to do the same thing with the Wii, but I'm excited for this. I hope they give us a good drop of games when it comes to this, when it does eventually, again, get released. I hope it's not like, they release like 3 or 4 games and it's all crap. But we'll have to wait and see. It is Nintendo at the end of the day, so anything is humanly possible with Nintendo. I'm just going to keep my expectations at a solid level of hopefully everything works out fine. Also, I want to see real fast, how much are the things now? So they're still sold out, but this is not the Express cards. So this is the SanDisk non-Express versions. Do they sell the Express? I believe they do, right? Yeah, right here. Do they sell anything larger than 256 gigabyte? That's kind of insane. They don't sell anything kind of, a little bit, yeah. Bro, my speaking today. If they don't sell anything higher than 256 gigabyte, that's kind of weird. I figured they would do like a 512 and 1 terabyte. It might be sold out, in all honesty. It might be sold out. But, okay. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. Just want to talk about this today. I thought this was kind of interesting. I'll see you guys in the next one.